Wang's individual Tanzanite blue, right?
Yep.
Tanzanite blue, F80 M3. Again, 6-speed manual. He has the active auto work equal length mid pipe. Stock down pipes or no?
Active auto down pipes.
Is it catless? Okay. So he has active auto work, basically down pipes, midsection, and then also the M Performance rear. It sounds good. What do you think about the setup? Do you think it sounds good?
Yeah, love it.
And I don't know, like it's titanium, the exhaust, so it's a different tone to it. Mine's more deep end. Yours is like a sharp pitch, but not like raspy.
Right.
I don't know what to describe it. I could definitely smell it's catless though.
Oh yeah, for sure. Right now I'm on 93.
Okay.
The one time you rode with, I'm on 93.
That's fine. That's fine. But yeah, this guy, he's definitely gone to OEM plus. What's the next mod?
My cage.
Your cage?
Yeah.
Are you gonna track your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, the cage is on the way. Studio RSR didn't make the deadline for BMW Invasion, unfortunately. I tried to get it right before Invasion. It didn't show up on time, and now they're in the process of moving their facilities, so it got pushed back again, and it's supposed to be in the mail. It hasn't even shipped. So.
Yeah. So every industry, every different company is dealing with shipping issues. Even with us when we were selling apparel and stuff, that was a pain. But yeah, expect delays if you're buying new cars, buying more parts. I know Cars with Keith, he had delays with his turbo and a whole bunch of other parts. So, but this is part of 2022 and on now, so you have to get used to it. But is this literally downtown Orlando?
No, we're close. We're like on the outskirts of it. This is like Winter Park, Orlando cutoff area.
Gotcha. And Winter Park is very nice. Maybe not this street, but Winter Park, if you guys know about this area, it's a very nice, wealthy area.
That's a bar. That's a car museum.
Oh,
also.
nice.
It's called In Lounge.
Nice. But I can tell you this, is there a drone from what you experienced? Your setup?
Not really, no.
Okay.
Did you notice them?
No? I can tell you this, look, everybody's gonna have their own threshold with how they like their exhaust. Look, these performance cars, on the highway, you're gonna have some slight drone compared to like a Honda Civic, you know, because a Honda Civic is not really you're not gonna hear much.
Right.
So those people that complain about performance cars having drone, sorry, you maybe picked up the wrong car, but especially if you mod the car with an exhaust, it's not unbearable where it's like you can't hear yourself think, you know. But this sounds good. I like it. I like my AWE switch path better with the active auto work, but it may not work for everybody. Alright, so we're going to Korea House. What, how much longer?
5 minutes.
Oh, okay. This thing pulls. This thing pulls. How much power do you think you're pushing?
On 93, like 500, and then on 85, or on E85, like 570, 580.
To the wheels.
Yep.
To the wheels. So yeah, it definitely feels good. We left Ben back there. he's like a quarter mile back. But yeah, I like Orlando. I've always thought about living here, but I'm kind of tied to South Florida, so I can't. You're just about to get sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber, right?
Yeah, that's a big move, big moves.
So Simply Carbon Fiber, he's seen it on my video. I definitely like the way they work, right? And these are one of the shades they gave me. These are the nitro shades. You've definitely seen it on a few videos before. And to be honest, it's having a quality pair of sunglasses without paying the Ray-Ban prices. And if you're looking for a pair of shades as a gift wise to your friends and family, or for yourself because you're working hard all week, pick them up. You can use this discount code right over here. That's gonna get you 10% off. But yeah, the roads here are bad in Orlando. Especially in a lowered car.
Yeah.
But I gotta say welcome to Viet Ho, to being part of the Simply Carbon Fiber family.
Oh yeah.
And I like to see what he gets and what type of accessory he gets on his channel.
Let's go.
So definitely check it out. You'll enjoy the products.
Big things, big moves.
And we wouldn't promote anything that we wouldn't stand behind, right?
Hell yeah.
So
no, never.
No. Now back to the video. We'll go back into time. This is before everything. We're at the lovely Korea House.
Yes, sir.
Would you consider this one of the best spots out here?
It's the best for unlimited.
Okay.
I wouldn't say it's
I'm
the
a value
best.
eater.
Yeah, so best for unlimited, not best at total.
So Ben,
Yes, sir.
what do you think about the movie that came out?
Wow, blown away. I think I watched it about 3 times, and then I went over to my YouTube partner Jamal's house, and then we watched it about 3 more times. It was insane.
On the big screen?
On the big screen. I had to do it on the big screen.
Yeah, I think it was a movie. He did so good on like the editing and just putting all the clips together, you know, making it really fast because there's so much to capture at that event, and I think he did a really good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he did great. I watched it on my phone on the way to work, and then I got home and I was like, let me throw it on the TV and I'll watch it again. Turned the sound up, had a good song he used too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
The song was perfect.
Yeah, especially like in the beginning with like the heartbeat, the boom, boom, and it like kept transitioning and changing with that.
You got your car rolling in?
I know he did. He got my car. I was like, yes.
I'm not gonna lie, I watched it probably 15 times. No joke, because I had it before anybody else did.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like watching. I was blasting it in the car, going to like, you know, supermarkets and stuff. And I think Brendan really did an amazing job. Amazing job.
Yeah, he killed
So
it.
he's probably gonna be coming with us to Impact. So
Nice.
Nice.
Ben's had him.
What is fish cakes?
Oh, the fish cakes? Fish cakes are good, man.
I like fish. I like cakes.
So I'm gonna jump in the Trader's car, the non-BBS wheels, HREs, F80O. You may have seen him definitely on the vlogs. And if you guys own an F80 or watch YouTube channels about
Wait, we gotta
BMWs,
run it now.
you definitely seen his car.
We gotta run it now.
It's actually my first time being in your car, man.
Yeah, I know. I was actually gonna say, like, if you were here for longer and you actually had your F80, I was gonna do like a review of your car. Bro, this
Not
is
much to see though.
clutch.
Not much to see. So this is F80 Ho. What's going on?
What's going on?
It's a vlogception. I'm recording. He's recording too.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna check out his stage 2, boot mod stage 2.
We just tuned today.
Okay. Catalyst.
No, we have a resonated catalyst downpipes ARM.
Do you smell it? Do you smell it though?
No, I don't smell it.
Okay.
Well, I'm used to it. On my F30 it was catalyst and basically a straight pipe, so I'm used to the smell. But it doesn't bother me that much. Like I'm not like parked in my garage and just like waiting to inhale it. You know what I mean? I'm driving around, so it's not too bad.
But yeah, we just left Korea House. I'm reeking like Korean food.
Yes, sir.
It's always a good time. There's always good food. It's always good when you hang out with some guys that have awesome cars and they're actually not douchebags. I'm just saying, you know, the Orlando crew out here is a totally different vibe out here.
Hell yeah.
But gotta say, man, this transition from his build has gone through many different changes.
Hold on to the camera.
That's nice. That's nice.
That's fast.
That's nice.
That's fast.
This was
All right, we're chilling now. We're chilling now.
this is Orlando, Mexico. Orlando, Mexico.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Oh, I gotta tell people, on the way here, I came in to where they were eating because I had the biggest smile on my face. It's because I just filmed my stage 2 video doing that on the way there, so.
And I'm holding the camera like, you know,
Yeah.
like this. But yeah, no, the car sounds good, man.
Hell yeah.
And the red seats look pretty good, especially after you clean them. The previous owner of the seats, I can tell you this, man, they're a little greasy.
Much needed clean, for sure.
They got a little greasy.
Yeah, they're greasy as a hell.
Got a little greasy boy.
Hell yeah.
But no, the car looks good, man. I love the transition, right? Because it's so hard to find the right spec you want, but if you're able to change some of the things you prefer,
For sure.
like the interior being the porn star red interior, right?
Yeah.
You're able to find that.
Yeah.
And I don't think you paid an arm and a leg because that guy was local, right?
Yeah. Even swap. Even though I lost the comp cutouts.
Yeah, no.
That's okay.
It is what it is.
But for my channel, your channel, it's good to be vlogging together.
Yeah,
I wish
right?
we lived in the same city because we probably be on each other's channel all the
All
damn
day.
time. Yeah.
Waste his water and stuff.
Yeah, waste my water. Oh, yeah.
Waste my
for
water?
sure,
I don't
for
care.
sure. Nah, it's good to have you here, man.
But
Gotta have more times and more vlogs together for sure.
I gotta say this. I said this again. The Orlando people out here, the BMW community out here is solid. These guys are true BMW enthusiasts. They're not talking about, hey, I have better wheels than you. It's more like a community, right?
Yeah.
Because
we're all here to lift each other up. Same mentality as he preaches with the invasion guys. You know, it's like we're all here to support each other. That's what the BMW community is about.
exactly.
You already know.
And we're the best community out there. Show me another community out there that's better than us.
For real. Can't think of one.
No.
Honestly.
I can tell you this. I came from the Subaru community, and the community was different. It was really good, really close knit. And then when you would see another Subaru in the community, you would give them like 2 honks and then a wave in the air. I'm not gonna lie, some of the BMW guys won't do that, but it's just different when you go to events. If you've seen it on his vlog, you've seen it on other vlogs for the Invasion of Orlando, we're just a different type of camaraderie.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, if there was none of that camaraderie, I probably wouldn't have a BMW.
Facts.
I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, but it's tough.
It's been boosting the channel like insane.
I see the growth. So if you guys haven't watched his channel, definitely check his channel out. Because like I said, I'm not sure in this video that I'm gonna tell you guys I'm getting the car. So I'm gonna say this now, or it'll be in another video. All right, so this is F80 Hose F80, obviously. Gorgeous HREs. I'm a BBS guy, but that looks great. He just added his CS lip. And you guys saw from the interior, he has his secure orange interior. But very clean. Definitely check out his channel. Big supporter of the BMW community, provides a lot of informational videos, and a real cool guy. So definitely check him out. And it's always good hanging out with these guys from Orlando. I wish I had more time because I'd be hanging out here longer, but in a little bit I'll probably head out because I have to go back to Florida. Hopefully miss some of the traffic. South Florida at least.
All right, what do we have here?
All right, so this is the wheels that we're talking about in the car. These are 437M wheels. But can you believe a set of this was 1,200 bucks? Look at the tires, brand new.
I'm distracted with this fucking call.
It's South Florida, man. Yeah. Oh no, it's Central Florida, my bad. Look at that.
Yeah, these are mint though.
Yeah.
They got the OEM TVMS sensors too.
Yep. And how much are those? How much are those?
$600
for a set.
Yeah, for all 4.
These are nice.
$600 for a set. So, like I said, I got to steal for that.
Yeah.
All right, it's been a nice long day with some of the Orlando guys. Danny just got here last minute. I guess you had a rough night last night.
You know, starting late is what it
Drinking
is.
all day yesterday. Maybe not. I'm making stuff up right now.
Sleeping.
But Viet, he's taking some photos, getting some lessons from Kyler. Kyler's been pretty good, been pretty decent. But I'm gonna head back south. I gotta basically return the loaner, drop the wheels off, and then get ready for the rest of the week. So, anything to say, guys?
Follow, like, subscribe.
Yep.
Stay tuned.
Stay
Congrats.
tuned.
Big things.
Big things coming.
You already know.
I don't know how this video is gonna set up. I'm not sure if you guys already know yet, but we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah.
Surprise.
We'll see what color it is later on, though. You guys not gonna know. You're not gonna know until the day of the reveal.
There you go. Coming out July?
No. Next week maybe,
Oh, next week. Yeah.
or the week after that.
Stay tuned.
Soon.
Stay tuned.
All right, guys, I'm heading south on the Florida Turnpike. It's always a good time hanging out with the guys here in Orlando. They're car enthusiasts, and most importantly, they're BMW enthusiasts. We went to get some Korean food. It was really good. I'm full. I could eat more, but you know, I'm gonna go home right now, load these wheels upstairs, and I want to thank you guys for tuning into this week's video. It was definitely a really unique video, and something that was kind of like, well, a little bit of lifestyle along with some car stuff, you know. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's definitely a different twist to it, but it's always good to see familiar faces again and other vloggers. So again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.